Hello and welcome to our screencast presentation produced by Netta.
And Hanya.
In this screencast presentation, we're going to talk about the media platform YouTube.
And we will be going through the following points.
What is YouTube?
When was YouTube created?
Why was YouTube created?
How and by who was YouTube created?
Future implications of YouTube, both
Positive and negative consequences.
right.
So, what is YouTube? YouTube is a video sharing digital platform that allows people from around the globe to upload, rate, share, view, add to playlists, report, and comment on videos, and also subscribe to them. The content uploaded includes video clips, TV shows, music videos, short documentary films, audio recordings, movie trailers, live streams, and other personal created content such as video blogging, short original videos, and educational videos. Majority of all content on YouTube is uploaded by individuals, but media corporations including CBS, the BBC, Vevo, and Hulu advertise their brands/companies via YouTube as part of the YouTube Partnership Program. Individuals who upload videos on a daily basis have the potential for their channels to become successful and viewed by thousands or even millions. It makes it able for the uploaders to make money and make YouTube as their primary job. On average, the YouTube channel can receive $18 per thousand ad views. This equates to $3 to $5 per thousand video views. So, when was YouTube invented? YouTube.com was launched on February 14th, 2005. The first video was uploaded by co-founder Jawad Karim under the title Me at the Zoo. Its ordinary concept made it extraordinary by showing that anyone can upload a video and can share their daily content without the need of a fancy production. YouTube started as an enterprise working in a garage. Its business model was advertisement-based.
But why was YouTube created? The three founders didn't come up with the idea of YouTube straight away. No, it was that YouTube started out being a dating site called TuneIn Hookup, which was affected by Hard or Not. The founders decided at the end not to go that way and try something different. The inspiration for YouTube and why it was invented as the YouTube that we know today is credited to two different causes. The first cause was Karim's inability to find footage online of Janet Jackson's wardrobe malfunction. The second cause was the Hurley and Chen were unable to share video footage of dinner party due to email attachments limitations. That is why the idea of YouTube got created. But how and by who was YouTube created? YouTube was created by three founders called Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawad Karim in 2005, just like Rania mentioned before. The three founders knew each other from working together in another internet startup, which is called PayPal. In fact, Hurley was the designer of the PayPal logo after reading a weird article about the online payment company and emailing the startup in a search for a job. YouTube was initially founded by bonuses that the three founders received following the eBay buyout of PayPal. You could argue that if there was no PayPal, there would not be a YouTube either. Ever since YouTube made its first appearance, it became bigger and bigger, and it certainly seems to have taken off with more subscribers, sharing their videos, vlogs, and the list goes on. More and more subscribers have started using YouTube as a marketing channel and giving the large audience space. But let us look at some of the positive and negative effects of YouTube. Let's start with the positive consequences. Some of them could be that YouTube is easy to both upload and watch videos. This allows more people to use YouTube, which means that there is a big audience. There are videos in almost any genre. Due to the fact that YouTube has a large consumer base, it contains a large number of the videos in most niches. And the business opportunities are really a big positive effect. As mentioned earlier, YouTube is not just a channel where you can watch and share videos. You can also make a living out of it, as we see a lot of people do today. The last point we have here is information. YouTube is also a source of a lot of different information. Instead of reading about something, YouTube gives the opportunity to hear and watch a video that gives information instead of looking up a lecture or reading a book.
So let's look at its negative consequences. So YouTube is a social media platform. Social media is known for the negative aspects it has on people's mental health. Sure, YouTube has a good positive, just like Netta mentioned earlier, which we just heard about, but comes with the negatives as well. Watching people's lives can be negative in a way where you see yourself comparing to their lives and lifestyle, and then social media influencers tend to put a positive facade in their videos, mostly because they don't want to show when they're going through a hard time. And for viewers to see that their lives is perfect can increase their mental health problems. However, it has gotten better with time, and influencers are being much more open about their mental health problems.
So, Rania, what do you think about the future of YouTube? What do you think there's going to happen with YouTube, and what are the positive and negative effects about the future?
Well, as we mentioned, we can't argue that, or discuss that the YouTube company is a very successful company and it allows to spread information about a lot of things. That was a positive aspect that you mentioned earlier. And it has gotten better with influencers opening about their mental health issues, and it's just getting better and out there. Like YouTube, I think, is one of the really big companies as a social media company. I think I didn't know really how to explain that, but that's really my opinion on that, on the facts that we've just read about.
Yes, I totally agree with you, Rania, but I think that due to the fact that everyone had the opportunity to make a channel and upload such videos, it could be problematic in the future according to if too many believes that they can make a living out of it. Furthermore, the viewers might watch influencers living their lives so much that they forget about their own lives and that they live in the real world and not in the social media world where everything is perfect and they forget about themselves.
Definitely. Social media can definitely be distracting from people's everyday lives. That's what I mentioned earlier about comparing their lifestyles. They just sit there at home and watch their videos and just don't really care about their own. Yeah, that's one of the big
Exactly.
issues.
Yes. Thank you for listening to our screencast and
Have a nice day.